ice isn't from this century. It's turning the lab into a giant ice cube. The sound is bouncing back. It's shaking the lab from the inside. My Christmas flowers, they can't take the cold. One shot of sedative will do it. Ah! Now for the flowers. Did I miss the cookies? I'll go get the butterfly net.
Prehistoric predator neutralized.
Calibrating the air pressure for maximum stability. The snowball jammed the valve. It's overinflated. It's super bouncing.
The bell tower is next.
Found the jammed valve. Need to dislodge the snowball. Setting up the capture net. Net secured. Targeting the blockage. Back to base. Still a bit bouncy. Safety pad. Snowball proof now. Nothing getting in there. Good net material.
Hey, swears don't go! Teamwork!
Need to get those fixed. Minor structural check complete. Gotta keep 'em shiny. Another ornament tamed. Global Bouncy Snowman Initiative. Treat time. Lesson learned. No loose snowballs near the compressor. Tree lights next. Let's go. Disaster averted. Almost done. It's a garden hop? But everything is metal. Almost open. Open. It's abandoned. We need to find the off switch. Up high. Find the source. A lever on top. Hop the vine rope. It's ready, Hup. Safe. 3 locks, 3 turns. The tire. Ready to turn. 3, 2, 1, turn. Turn. We're free. What is this? It says, art to protect rare flora. All that for a mushroom barrier. Let's find the real mushroom. Did it just cry? It's a music box. Hup. Trying this. That's a loud toy. Not a robot, just needs winding. Found it. Mission complete. Heavy souvenir. I'll carry it. The The light sleigh is magnificent, Quack. Careful with the boiler. The whistle is stuck. Runaway sleigh. Oh, the tree. It's unwrapping the lights. It's a light-up menace. We're heading for the ice. Cutting the cords. It stopped. Too hot to touch. The spoon! Almost.
Just a few scratches.
That was close. Decorated the whole street. The tree is fixed.
The prize for best public decoration goes to Hop and Quack.
We won?
The best art always has a spark of madness. Static display only from now on.
Still a beautiful sleigh. The instrument of chaos. Gotta get all the straw out. Final spot. Like a path of light.
Worth the chaos.
Runaway invention. Wins the prize. No more running away. Looks better than before. My super wrench. The feedback loop is out of control. My car is moving by itself. It's going to topple the water tower. The historical tools. Low-frequency demagnetization. Stabilizing the field.
Carbon fiber bypass. Wrench retrieved.
Magnet neutralized.
Tower safe.
Tower safe. History preserved. An accidental sculpture. Permanently protected.
Alarm active. Crisis averted.
It really is quite beautiful. Server safe.
Back to the lab.
Need to log the magnetic anomalies. Almost home. Time for diagnostics. That was quite a spike. Treat time. Calming. Alarm functional.
Zero magnetic interference.
Disaster averted.
Day complete. Time to rest.
Keep it steady. Hup.
Oh no, the wax! Here they too!
The roots will be ruined.
Careful now! Safe and sound.
Accidents happen, Quack, but quick action and teamwork can minimize the damage.
We turned a disaster into a useful block of wax. Let's use the lid as a mold. Ready for lighting.
Next time, I'll carve the clay, too. Perfect carrots, Quack. Ready for harvest soon.
What is that thing? It's burning the leaves. Shield the carrots. It's too acidic. Yelping. It's dissolving the foundation.
Lime. We need lime. It neutralizes acid. Containment first.
The acid stopped. That should hold it. Carrot saved.
Never underestimate a problem you don't know. We must learn about this vine.
This mixture makes a great white paste.
A magical safety fence.
Immediate action solved the crisis.
Now, to research the toxic vine. Another day, another save. We earned this break. This barrier will hold until we find the permanent solution.
A trophy of our close call. The soil is bone dry. The water source is gone. What is this place? The water is being diverted. Fire hazard level critical.
The whole structure could collapse.
It's going to burst. Root decomposer ready.
Softening the blockage.
Loosening the valve.
Valve clear. Water is flowing back to the pines.
A map to ancient seeds.
A hot spring?
No more hidden blockages.
Prevention is better than cure.
Mystery solved.
And a treasure discovered.
Need to study this map.
Let's get this map translated, sick and efficient.
Rare ancient seeds.
Back to civilization.
Need old world knowledge. Time to work. Fuel for the brain.
A new botanical mission.
Need to prepare the gear. A secret quit waiting.
Adventure continues tomorrow.
Till the next adventure.
This snow globe is perfect for little Fox. Oops. It's gone. Gone! We need to follow the tracks.
The tracks lead toward the big pine. It's getting late. We must hurry.
Look! Hook! Hop! Glitter trail.
Mr. Bear might be sleeping. He found it. It looks like he loves it. Excuse us, Mr. Bear. That's a Christmas gift. It rolled away, sir. It's for little Fox.
I see.
It is very beautiful. A small gift for you, Mr. Bear.
Merry Christmas, little fox!
Merry Christmas, friends. Thank you.
That was a great adventure.
No more stools by the window.
A perfect Christmas Eve.
Poisonous berries. They ate the wrong moss. I need the North Pole healing herb. It grows deep in that forest.
We have to find it quickly. There it is. A giant spider.
I'll distract him.
Faster, hup.
Here's the North Pole healing herb.
My dear reindeer, you saved them. A magic keepsake for your bravery. Ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Santa Claus.
We can use this to keep safe.
Best Christmas story ever. And all thanks to the North Pole healing herb.
The dampener is working perfectly. It looks like a diamond roof. Interference detected. It's a sonic wall. We're trapped. Watch out! The roof is breaking. Navigation is down. We're blind. The singing seed. It's going to shatter. The loop is reaching critical mass.
Phase shifting the frequency.
Signal silenced. Caught them! It's safe. The resonance is gone. Achoo!
Now that's a legendary sneeze. No more outside interference.
Ready for recycling.
I'm famous in this forest now.
Time to grow.
The echo patterns are stable. Magnetic strength was optimal. Another mystery solved. I'll never hear the end of this.
It's the giant moonflower. It smells so sweet.
Halt! This is our bounty.
Oh, yum! Halt!
Go away, tiny thieves.
Form the perimeter. We're completely blocked. Hurry, everyone! Block the leak!
The pressure is too great.
We have to work together.
You block, we lift. It's the only way.
Clay break.
Just a little more. Yeah. Move it gently. You saved our food.
So, 1 scoop for you, 1 for me, then 2 for you.
Just use these 3 sizes.
This is the best nectar ever.
Wow. The biggest one ever.
That berry is ours. My family needs it.
No way! We found it first.
We need this for our winter store. Watch out! It's rolling away! Stop fighting! The bees are coming! We need to work together, now!
Now. Fine. What's the plan, Duck?
Almost done?
I was wrong to be so greedy.
We all need to share, Papa Badger.
Firewood delivery. On time.
The best jam ever.
See, Hop? Sharing works better than fighting. Testing the mini cyclone generator for dust collection. It's a chemical dust storm. The wind is pushing it towards the school. The dust is corrosive. It is eating the filters. It's conductive. It could cause an electrical fire. Need a net. Momentum stopped.
Need to neutralize the acid.
Neutralizing. Well, it's safe, but very green.
Time to solidify the dust.
Crisis averted. Safely contained. It's a non-toxic, protective layer now.
A hero's cloak.
We're keeping the hero's cloak.
Double filtration installed. Early warning system engaged. Safety limit set.
Triple sealed. For saving our children. The air is so clean. Souvenir. A beacon of safety. Real-time air quality data. Always over-engineer the dust filter. New town color. Achieved. We'll sell out by noon, Quack. Ouch! The sugar. The ants are coming. Nice save, Quack.
Ice.
Crush. Ready. Lemonade, please. 1 icy lemonade. Perfection. More.
for the soft landing.
Too much citrus. Just need a non-spinning job. You can be the treasurer.
One fresh lemonade.
Thank you. Correct change, Hope. Excellent, treasurer. What a day. Good job, press. Very profitable. Almost full, Hope.
The finest rose oil in the forest. A perfect gift.
Too much beauty. I'll fix that.
Oh no, deploying the stank.
Catch me if you can.
The string is cut.
It's stuck. If I can't break it, I'll stink it.
The oil is mixing with the stink mud. Stop the flow!
Cut the spray, skunk. Now or never. Addenda.
Sealed and secured. Still a mess, though.
Wait, this mixed oil still has a strong scent. Let's make soap.
The anti-stink combat soap.
You have a cleanup appointment.
Soap? No, anything but soap.
You made the stink. You clean the stink. Lesson time.
Oh, this is just great.
Inside and out. Skunk! It's okay to have different talents, Skunk. We all have something special.
A little bit of good smell for you.
Thank you. This is better than being a stinker.
Next time, maybe we can make skunk flower soap.
Lesson learned. Always double-check the knot.
It's a milk blizzard. Almost too pretty to drink.
Nice beard. Quack?
To hop and quack.
This haul is massive. It will last all winter.
Heave-ho! Almost there. No! Our chestnuts!
The mud. It will ruin everything and trap us.
Forget the squirrel. We need a block. Now! It's not sealed. The mud is getting through. Help! Help!
help us seal it, or you get wet.
Squawk. Crisis averted, thanks to the squirrel.
Greed almost cost us everything. And you too. Cooperation saved us.
Now you help us clean. Every single one.
A reward for honest work.
Squeak.
Bye-bye now.
Elder Bear will be so happy with this. Let's leave it right here for him to find in the morning. Hey! That's Elder Bear's present.
It's sinking. We can't reach it.
We need a bridge. We need a bridge and a line. Fast! Perfect for a temporary bridge.
I have to help. I caused this.
Just a little wet on the base. It's saved.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't resist the smell.
You made up for it, Raccoon. You helped us save the gift. Elder Bear needs a proper porch extension now. A little taste for our hero. Worth the whole adventure. Thank you. This is the best present and the best bridge ever. Do you think he liked it?
Look at that! So beautiful!
We got it.
Even an accident can lead to a great fix.
Next up, by Agneson's prize turnip. Victory is mine, Chester.
Clumsy me. The scale is faulty.
Take that, cheating old man. It's mutating.
It's eating the equipment. Now it's electrified.
The prize banner is next.
Must cut the power safely. Sparks gone. Growth neutralizer engaged. Stop!
Great job, Quack. Just missed the banner.
You broke the scale. What do we do with it?
Let's turn it into a festival meal.
Hope it doesn't short-circuit the saw.
Thick slices only.
Fizzy!
Electrically enhanced flavor. A new culinary experience.
To Hop and Quack for saving the fair.
Needs a serious upgrade on the power source.
Best rivalry resolution ever.
It really is fizzy.
Next year, we judge the baking contest. It's time for a high-tech deep clean. No more itchy feathers from dust. Found a big group of them over here.
Vibration frequency set to gentle.
Like a vacuum for ghosts.
Why is the dust chasing me? Static attraction.
Reversing polarity now.
I can breathe again.
That was close.
Every Everything is sparkling.
I look sharp.
Dust securely contained.
Wait. Achoo. Look at the jar.
Dust can be artistic too.
Note, watch out for static charges.
Hard work pays off.
Sorry, old friend. Science won. Good job today. Look at this beauty, Quack.
It is the biggest one ever. Ready for soup tonight?
On my count. 1, 2. Ready to push. It is heavy. Stand back, Quack. Careful, huh? It is loose.
It is moving too fast.
Stop that, Pumpkin. Wait for us.
Sorry, Turtle.
It's not stopping. It is Oh no.
Our soup will fall.
Quack, use your wind.
Super speed mode. Block the path.
Bam. Wow.
Perfect slices. Quack? Are you okay? You look like a pumpkin pie.
Sweet and fresh.
My TV. My acorns.
Here is a trade.
Stir.
Achoo. Healthier that way. It looks perfect.
Good soup. Good night, Quack. Rotation speed looks good. We have a short circuit.
Communications link is unstable.
The historical recording is breaking. It's going to hit the heating system. Rotation motor neutralized.
Full stop achieved. Safe landing.
Waterproofed.
Early warning system active. Recording can be restored. Warmth and safety preserved.
No danger of freezing.
Need to check on the real restoration.
Almost home.
Time for diagnostics. A very close call.
Gentle process required.
All logged.
Time to rest. Till tomorrow.
Ready for the next electrical issue.
Neat and tidy. Safe and sound. The golden sprout seed is secured. The seed is ruined. It's stuck to the statue.
It's a plant monster. Need to dissolve that glue. Slow it down.
Net secured. Immobilized.
Every particle counts.
Sculpture saved. It's a new compound now. A dough compound too.
A shared super nutritious product.
fine. For the town. My recipe, surprisingly delicious. I'll take 2.
Best festival ever! Verbal warnings are better than sticky monsters.
Warning, do not touch. Anti-rivalry cleaning complete.
All systems green.
Super nutritious and delicious. Hate, love, hate, and sticky candy.
A perfect ending.
The future of peeling is here. Ready for activation. This is our secret, super concentrated lubricant. That's 10 times too fast.
It's pulling everything. We need to stop the wheel now. The floodgate. Cut the flow.
It's locked.
The vortex is still pulling. Oh no, it broke. Phew, close call.
They'll make great decorations.
Time to bake.
Much safer than concentrated juice.
Back to basics.
Success at a safe pace.
The power of moderation.
A little bit of bubbles won't hurt.
Uh-oh.
That's a lot of power. No more automatic baths for a while. Help! Help!
It's a soap tsunami.
The power grid is going to short circuit. The blueprints. They're not waterproof.
If it hits the vents, the whole city will be covered.
Popping frequency engaged. Blueprints protected.
That was
Clean.
Science is messy.
Best ride ever. Note to self, anti-slip boots.
not a single drop. Crisis cleaned.
Experiment logged.
I'm hungry now. Electricity stable.
At least it's clean.
One left. The Aurora Pyra Pine should be just ahead. It's dark.
The legend was wrong?
It's a coolant leak. The core is flash freezing.
My wings are getting stiff.
We can't stay still.
The forest gifts. They're trapped.
If those break, the energy will explode.
We have 3 minutes before the deep freeze pulse.
Melting the primary blockage.
Fly away, little drone.
Sinking the energy. Now.
It's beautiful. Hep meh. Curiosity killed the duck, Quack. This will keep it warm all winter.
A rare case of core freeze.
Everyone got their gifts. The perfect start to Christmas morning.
Broccoli? That's not on the menu.
The flavor logic is completely compromised. Help! I'm losing the controls. If that nozzle fires, the mug will shatter.
Just 1 millimeter.
Got it. Now for the pressure.
Clearing the landing zone.
Resetting flow.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Mission accomplished.
That feels kind of nice, actually.
No more gingerbread accidents.
Merry Christmas, Hup. Where did this come from?
I can't see a thing. My baby Coquille.
We need sound to know where the edge is.
Follow the rhythm.
Fuel is ready. I can see the ground.
Always have a backup ignition source. A good rhythmic sound. Our new walking instrument. It's still warm. Hot chocolate.
That was too close.
We handled it to get together.
Heave ho!
Almost there, Quack. Big fox. He saw us. bed!
Wing net. We can trap him.
Get this thing off me!
Wedge it here. Leverage.
At least some carrots are safe.
We need a permanent warning sign. We need to call Mr. Bear. He can move the fox far away.
And that's why we need your help.
Don't worry, I'll handle this.
A stronger defense is always the best path, Quack.
Scrub, scrub. It is huge! So heavy. I am flying. Stuck. Mud. Dirty. No mud. Stay there. It is slipping. Perfect spot. Clean. Secure it well. Hard work. Bubbles. I can't see. Am I a ghost?
Ice skating in summer.
At least we are clean. Look, it is dry. Beacon check, number 3. It's stuck on the clock tower. Ice falling. We have to protect the panel.
Tactical cover deployed.
Ready for activation. He's right overhead. Activate. Guidance is green.
Ho! Perfect landing light.
What was that flash?
Looks like someone needs a special delivery.
A gift.
Industrial strength clean.
Mission complete.
Panel safe. Double locked.
Heavy. But useful. Safe journey, Santa. The storm is passing. We need to address those socks immediately. A gift from Santa is a command. Hopefully the washing machine is warm.
Operation Clean Socks is a go. No more embarrassing sock piles. Merry Christmas, Santa!